This is code.org, computer science or CS discoveries. I'm working on the web development unit, which is unit 2 if you're a teacher, I believe, and I'm on lesson 10, obviously, part 2, which is all about CSS, styling text with CSS. So let's see what we're doing. Adding style. This web lab project is using a new language to add style to the page. With a partner, explore both the index.html file, and the style.css file. Be ready to discuss the following questions. What changes is this new language making to the page? How is this language different from HTML? How are the index.html and CSS connected? All right, let's see what we got here. What changes? Well, let's see. That's an H1 tag, and so that should be big text, and that makes sense. And an H2 tag, that should be slightly smaller than the H1. It is, so yep, that makes sense. And H1, yeah, that also matches that. Now, what I don't understand, and what we haven't seen before, is why is this blue, and why is that red, and why is that blue? Let's check out the CSS file, which is way over here. Click. Notice it's just like an HTML file, except it's a .css file. It's a text file. Oh, look at this. So remember our H1 tags back here, right? H1, they are blue. So I bet writing H1 and then having this bracket and the closing bracket, this color blue, that must be what's doing this. Interesting. And then text align center. I wonder, I bet that's why it's in the middle of the page, right? The text is actually centered. So I'm sure that's what this is doing. And then let's see, H2 is red. Oh yeah. Oh, it's in a different order though. I guess the order doesn't matter. And then text align right. Yep, it's over to the right. Huh. Okay, so it must be doing that. It must be doing this styling stuff, which makes sense because CSS stands for cascading style sheets. Now, how is the language different? Oh, well, it's really different. There's no greater than less than symbols. It does use brackets around everything. So, and it looks like it only is listing styling type stuff, right? It doesn't say about to learn a new language. It just says it wants this text blue. Okay, so, and how are they connected? Huh. Well, I don't see anything that says HTML over here. Let's look over here. Is there, aha, this must be what connects them. That looks like some weird link thing, and I'm not familiar. Well, I am, but we haven't learned what it is yet, but it must be connected right here. Okay, in the header tag. Interesting. Let's keep going and see what else we'll learn.